It's about time we did another product review. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there. Hope you're all doing well. It's another product review, and it's this time is how to keep your sneakers clean, because we've seen all of these products come out. We've seen all of these actual brushes and stuff come out. So let's talk about an effective way to clean these sneakers. And like I said in the other product review, is how we preserve these sneakers, how we look after these sneakers. So it's always good to do a product review. And this week, we're having a look at how to clean your sneakers effectively. So welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there. Hope you're all doing well on this Sunday afternoon, guys. Hope you're all looking after yourselves both mentally and physically, and you keep pushing those barriers, you keep pushing those boundaries, and you're hitting your targets for the year to make 2023 your year, guys. Making sure you keep winning, guys. That's the most important thing. But also, please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro 808 Kicks ATL. We'll be talking about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we take that to the public realm and give our judgment in sneaker court public opinion, guys. And on top of that, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down, guys, because today we're looking at a product that is actually going to help you maintain the cleanliness of your sneakers, guys. We're talking about a sneaker product that I've been using over the last year or so, and is recommended to me by the sis Jenny. Shout out to you, Jenny. And also, this is quite cheap, quite effective, quite usable, but we're going to break this product down because this is absolutely a game changer in my personal opinion, because there's different cleaning products out there that you can use. But let's check out this Philips sneaker cleaner. So just to give a little bit of a background to this sneaker cleaner, this Philips sneaker cleaner was recommended to me by the sis Jenny. Shout out to you, sis, because she actually uses it and she's predominantly been using it for the last couple of years. And I can tell you guys, when I first got it in, I was a bit dubious, but then once I started using it for the last year or so, this is amazing. This is an absolute game changer. This is effective and it does what it says on the tin. Trust me, guys, I've actually used this for the last year or so, and it's literally sped up the cleaning time, because you could always use the traditional brush, the bristle brush, or the soft brushes, but the Philips sneaker cleaner to me is one of the best products in terms of the cost and cost effectiveness, and the cleaning effectiveness is up there. But inside you normally get this box, which is the Philips sneaker cleaner, and when you open this box up, you should normally, I've already taken this out, because you should normally get this, guys. This is the Philips sneaker cleaner. Obviously you can see the hard head brushes on this because I've been cleaning some midsoles, but it has 3 detachable brushes, so when you actually take this apart, you can see it's got this actual connection where you can actually do it. And also you get, with this brush, you get a soft brush cleaner, which is absolutely great for actual leather sneakers. And then you also get a similar smaller brush, which is this actual sponge brush, which is probably better used on nubuck or even like suede, because it actually won't damage the actual sneakers. And each of these has got that connection to actually connect it to the Philips cleaner, and also you can interchange them and actually use the brush for what it's supposed to be done. Detach, reuse, clean. Absolutely awesome. And it actually has 500 RPM range to this, so you can actually attach a brush just like this, just easy like that, and it's good to go, guys. As you can see, it's giving you that 500 RPM on that brush, and it uses 2 AA batteries, which actually slot in at the back here, as you can see, guys. And basically it gives you 80 minutes of streamless cleaning, which means you can get a hell of a load of sneakers clean in that time frame. Such a great actual device, such a great actual cleaner. It only costs like 30 quid. You're talking about probably $45, but this is an absolute lifesaver. I'm talking about I used to clean the soles of sneakers all the time because I love my sneakers fresh and clean, and basically what it actually does is speeds up the cleaning time. Rather than keep brushing and cleaning, you can go in and actually clean your sneakers far effectively and save more time. I probably got about 6 or 7 sneakers done in about maybe 45 minutes, when it would have taken me about a couple of hours to do, because this is such an effective device. And I'm telling you, it will speed up your cleaning time. Now let's take a look at how we actually use this. So like any other cleaner, what you need to do is use the brush that you actually instigating to actually clean the sneaker, but you also need to use like a normal boil of water, warm luke water, and then add your cleaning substances. Could be anything from all the famous brands, but you could also use soap and water. Basically you apply a couple of drops in your actual water. You let it mix in. So basically I've got the solution in there, and you basically mix it in, and you do this, guys. Literally mix it in and make it a bit foamy, and then that's going to be applied on your brush. You kind of get the excess water off, and I'm going to trial this on my actual elephant print Jordan 3s. As you can see, the sole is dirty, and then what you do is gently go and clean in, and basically let the brush do all the talking. As you can see, guys, it's getting water everywhere, but you go and clean it, and then kind of making sure you use the bristles of the brushes to actually instigate all of the actual area that you need clean. I'm just doing the orange pad there, and as you can see, guys, within seconds you get your microfiber cloth and you wipe it down. And as you can see, guys, I'm going to give it a nice little rinse and clean with a microfiber cloth because the soap's on there, and you can tell first run it looks a bit cleaner. If you're not satisfied, you go back with a cleaner and you actually try and get the areas you really want, guys, and actually kind of use it instrumentally in the areas you want clean. And what you'll find is it comes out sparkling clean, and that's literally taken me a few seconds to get that area clean. Like, I'm just going to wipe this down and show you guys, and that is sparkling clean. As you can see, even the threads are a bit soapy there, but you can actually wipe them down. A quick demonstration of how quickly and effectively you can get that sneaker to look as fresh as possible. Like, all the dirt's on that's gone, and it took me relatively a couple of seconds. So you can cover the whole of that sneaker in the space of like a couple of minutes to 2 minutes to 3 minutes, and then you got a brand spanking new clean sole. And obviously you can swap the brushes out to do the uppers if the uppers are dirty, and obviously the sponge would actually be used for the actual upper there. This is actually dope. This actual cleaner is actually dope. I actually do love this cleaner. It does a really good job on cleaning your sneakers. It saves you all the elbow work that you would normally do to actually clean it with a brush. And I do recommend anybody that's looking for effectively clean sneaker, or a sneaker cleaner that actually can clean your sneakers really effectively well, to invest some money into something like this. And it's nice, handheld, effective, cleans 80 minutes of supercharged 500 RPM cleaning power, and it will give your sneakers clean. I'm telling you, get your sneakers clean. The one disadvantage on this actually is the batteries. Even though I say the batteries last 80 minutes roughly, but I'm going to tell you guys, you will need to keep changing them from time to time. It is really good for what it does, but obviously if it was more power based, you can actually plug in, this would have been better. The other disadvantage to this actual device is the fact that as soon as you start cleaning, you got to make sure you rinse the water off as much as possible to kind of not get water splatter on other sides of the sneaker. So if you're cleaning at the base there like this, you might get water all over your elephant print there or there, so you got to rinse it off to make sure you don't kind of actually get water, especially if you're working with suede and but that's the most important thing. But that's generically with every other cleaner, and obviously this is just one instrumental part. You could also use other things to actually help you, like the microfiber cloths, to actually soap solution what you're using to actually clean it. But the Philips cleaner is dope. I'm going to tell you guys, the Philips cleaner is a revolution to my actual sneaker rotation. It literally helps me clean the sneakers I want effectively. I'm a busy guy, guys. I'm really busy, guys. I want something that's going to clean my sneakers really effectively, really clean, and this does it. And shout out to this Jenny once again for recommending this product, because this is absolutely awesome. And out of the ratings for this, out of a product rating, I'm going to give this a 4.5 out of 5, because this is dope. This Philips cleaner is absolutely dope. The 3 brushes. I haven't tested the sponge brush. I'm going to leave that down to you guys, but it's going to do a really good job on your actual suede as well. But if you're not sure, you can also get soft brushes as well. But I do wish that Philips actually came out with other variations of brushes that actually can fit and change to this, because this is dope. This is actually dope. I want to see more of a softer brush and a medium brush than the sponge brush, because I think it's going to help benefit the actual model as well. I'm waiting to see if they come out with different models, but as you can see, guys, this is handheld perfection to what you need. If you want to clean your uppers, this is the thing to do with the actual soft brush and the sponge brush. But guys, you can't go wrong with a very effective cleaner for 30 quid. 30 quid, talking about $45, and I know other things out there cost way more. So to me, this is the best product in the price range you're ever going to get it to. So guys, go make up your own mind. Go out, clean your own sneakers. You try test this if you want. If you don't believe what I'm saying, try and test this if you want, because this is a dope cleaner. The Philips sneaker cleaner does exactly what you need it to do, so I can't complain about this. This is a dope sneaker cleaner, and I'm gonna tell you guys, I have loads of sneakers right this moment in time that need cleaning that I'm going to go and try and do, because it's gonna save me hours and hours of manual elbow labor to get sneakers like this clean. As you can see guys, that's one bit. Let me show you the other sneaker. As you can see, side by side, that's the difference between the two. One's dirty, one's cleaner, and as you can see guys, you can see the difference in actual cleanliness of that sneaker. So, but guys, if you don't believe me, go and test it yourself. And obviously there is a return warranty guarantee, whatever you want to call it, but you can always test it, always see how it feels for you, always see kind of how it fits for you. But I'm going to tell you guys, that's probably one of the best sneaker cleaners for the price range I've actually got it for. So guys, as you can see, product review, I'm going to give it my 4.5 out of 5 ratings, product ratings, because this is absolutely dope for what it is. Absolutely cost effective, and it actually does what it wants you to do. Perfect. So product review time. That was for the Philips sneaker cleaner. Go and test it yourself, go and try it yourself, go and use it yourself. But like I say guys, it's always good to preserve your sneakers, because you're always going to wear your sneakers, and you're always going to try and make your sneakers look fresh and clean. I know not a lot of people don't clean their soles. I like to clean my soles and keep them fresh and clean, because I want to pack them away and I want to bring them out and looking pristine. But that's me. Anyway guys, hope you did enjoy the product review. Hope you do actually go and try and test it yourself. Keep yourself looking fresh, keep yourself looking clean, making sure your sneakers are clean and your fit is on point guys. But that's the review for the Philips sneaker cleaner. Like I say at the end of every review, every product review and every video, I hope you have an amazing week, amazing month and an amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like and get the accessories you want, because you all deserve the best things in life. So for me, TJ, I love Kit Customs. Peace out for now guys, and peace.